Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGuides, and today we'll discuss the implementation of the topic Python packages. We have studied the Python packages with the help of the slide presentation. Now we'll see the implementation part. So let's start. We'll name the topic first, Python packages. Now first of all, what is a Python package? So we'll start with definition. A package is a collection of modules. Now what is modules? Modules is just Python files, different Python files that are grouped together in a directory with an within with an init.py file. Okay. Now packages helps you organize your code and allow to reuse functions. You can use different functions, different classes and variables easily. Now you can also think packages as folders. So think of packages as folders of useful Python tools. So this is the definition, what actually Python packages mean. Now moving on, why are these useful? Okay, use cases. Firstly, for code reuse. Second is better organization of code, better organization. And third is easy to and easy to share and install with tools like pip. So easy to share and install with tools like pip. Okay, now we'll see using built-in packages. What are the built-in packages with Python? Built-in packages. So for that we'll see import math, and suppose I want to print the square root of 16. Okay, square root of 16 is math dot square root of 16. Okay, then we have print value of pi is math dot pi. When I run this using the math built-in package, what we have got the square root of 16, that is a 4, and we also got the value of pi, which is 3.1415. So there are different built-in packages also. Now we'll see the using random package. For that we will import random, and I will say print random number from 1 to 10. Okay, and so we'll use random dot randint and we'll mention 1 comma 10. So what we got, a random number from 1 to 10 we got as 5. So this is an inbuilt package, that is a random. Now we'll see the datetime package. Suppose we use import datetime and we'll print current date and time. Okay, so datetime dot now. So we got today's date, that is the 30th of May 2025. Now we'll see how to install the external package with pip. For that we'll start with the using numpy. So what I'll do, pip install numpy Now for installing external packages, we need this syntax, that is the pip to install these packages, and we'll import them. Import numpy as np, and we'll create an array. Array is equal to np dot array, and then I will mention 1 comma 2 comma 3. So when we print numpy array, we got an array, right? Now we'll see using pandas library. So for that we need to install pandas. So pip install pandas. So these are the external libraries which we are trying to import here in Python. So import pandas as pd. Okay, and suppose I create a dictionary. For that, suppose we have name key name. Then we'll mention the different names. Suppose Virat and Mahesh. Okay, so name is the key and the Virat and Mahesh are the values. We'll generate another key named as age, and we'll mention the values. Suppose I mention 25 and 30. Okay, now I want to convert this dictionary into a data frame. So what I'll do, df is equal to pd dot data frame. Okay, I'll mention the variable, that is the data, and I will print the data frame, print df. So we got a data frame. Under name we have Virat and Mahesh, and under age we have under age column we have values of Virat and Mahesh. So this is the easy way of installing the packages by using pip. We imported pandas library, we imported numpy libraries. The built-in packages are datetime, random, math. Now we'll see another library, that is the matplotlib, which are used for plotting the map. Sorry, the map. It is used for a plot to generally visualize the plot. So for that we need to install pip install matplotlib, and we'll import it. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, now I'll have one variable named x, as and value we will have 1 comma 2 comma 3. For y variable we'll have values in the list named as value as 20, 10, 20 comma 30. Okay, now for that we'll see plt dot plot. We'll mention the variables x comma y, and we'll mention the title plt dot title. We'll say simple plot, and we'll name the x label and y label. So plt dot x label, that is the x axis, and we'll mention the y label. So plt dot y label, and we'll mention the y axis, and we'll show plt dot show. This is an important library, matplotlib, for visualization. We'll see how our two variables look when we plot it on x-axis and y-axis. So we got the visualization. We have the x-axis here and y-axis, and we have the values 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and for y we have 10 comma 20 comma 30. So in this way we can import the external libraries using the pip. Now what if I want to create our own package? So creating your own package. Okay, for that suppose we have to create a module file. So module file is generally a Python file. So for that create a module file. In that now first of all we need to understand that we should save this in a file name named as suppose my module dot py. Okay, I'll create a function def grid, and I'll mention the name here. I will say return f hello, and I'll mention the name. Okay, I'll mention the another function for square. I'll mention the number here, and what I will return n into n, right? So this is way we can create a module file and save this in a file named as mymodule.py. Okay, now we'll see how to use our own custom package. Next is use your custom package. First of all, we'll create a file, my module dot py. Okay, and we'll save this above code in our file. Now we'll see simulating the above file inside a collab cell using write file. Okay, simulating the above file inside a collab cell using write file. Okay, write file my module dot py. Then mention the function div get name. Okay, I'll run it. Now we'll import the my module. Import my module. Print my module. My module dot grid and I'll mention student. I'll print square of 5 is my module dot square module square and 5. When I run this, what we got, whatever the functions we are having in the my module dot py files, we are able to execute this just by mentioning the my module and the function name. So these are the function name. First was one was the grid and second one was the square. We just mentioned the parameters here to be passed to the functions. My module dot grid, for grid function we pass the student as we mentioned here the name, and for squaring of 5 I just mentioned the my module and dot square. The square is the function which we called out from the my module, and we mentioned the number parameter, that is the 5, and we got the square of 5. This way we can reuse this many times. So that is the most important use case of any creating our own custom packages. And we can also execute different code by just importing the my module, and in my module whatever the functions name are there we can recall it and use it for our. Hope you guys are understanding what we are trying to do here. So basically code reuse, better organization, and easy to share and install with tools like pip are the most important use cases of the Python packages. Now we'll see exploring package content with directory and help. So we'll see exploring package content directory and help. Import math and we'll print directory of math. So we'll see in math directory we have different functions we can use like factorial, floor, gamma, is close, is finite, is nan. These are the different functions we can use. Sorry, for radian, sine, cosine, tan. So these are the different functions we can use from math. And directory is whatever the files are available in the math library, we can use it. Now, if I want to see use case of anyone, so what I'll do, help math, and I'll mention square root. So I'll understand the definition of what does it do. So return the square root of x. Now what I will do, I will suppose I will see anyone CBRT. We will look for CBRT. So what I will do, help. If I don't understand what is CBRT, what I'll do, I'll just say help math dot CBRT. It returns the cube root of x. Similarly, you can explore different use cases. Suppose what is fab? I want to see what does it do. So what I'll do, help math dot fab returns the absolute value of the float x. So you can explore another also and try to understand what are the use cases of each one. Hope you guys are on the same page. And next we'll see updating and uninstalling packages. Okay. So next is updating and uninstalling, installing packages. So if you want to update any package, what else say? Pip install, upgrade. Suppose I want to upgrade NumPy library. Upgrade, and I will mention the library. Okay. In this way, we can update a package. Now, what if I want to uninstall a package? So for what I'll do, pip uninstall NumPy, and I'll mention the Y successfully. Now we have covered the major topics in the Python packages. We'll see what we have learned in this session. First of all, we'll summarize it. Summary. So for built-in package, uh, example we looked at import math. Then for external package, what we have seen, external package that is using the pip. We try to install numpy. So pip install numpy. Okay. Then we did our custom package, right? Our my module custom package import my module. For viewing package contents, so for viewing package content dir, that is the directory, and the package name. Okay. And for getting help, we did use help and the function. Okay, so this is the summary of the total topics we covered in this session, and I hope you guys understood. Now you need to practice this on your own Google Colab and see with different examples how we could install any package, uninstall any package, how we could use help and see any inbuilt package and mention any the function name to understand what is the use case for exploring package content with the IR and help. Then we saw the my module, how we could build our own custom package. We created two different functions. We saw this using different libraries, which are the external libraries like matplotlib, pandas, numpy. We saw the inbuilt one, that is the datetime, random, math. So you can practice different examples, and practice is the key if you're learning Python. So I hope you practice, and I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye.